pore gathao mala buihao disam prabun horo sajako.
The Central Indian Tribal Belt is a region spanning from Gujarat in the west to Odisha in the east. This region is blessed with rich natural vegetation. However, some of the poorest pockets in India are located in this region. It has also been found that most of these poor pockets are where a majority of tribal population of the country lives. It is to address this issue that more than a decade ago, Tata Trusts, one of India's oldest and largest philanthropic organizations, started its Central India Initiative. Under its renewed mission, the Trust aims to positively and sustainably impact 100 million lives by 2021. In the Central Indian Tribal Belt, this mission is being led by Collectives for Integrated Livelihood Initiatives, also known as CINI. CINI has been working on focused plans to improve the livelihoods and quality of life for tribal communities in the Central Indian Tribal Belt. In the year 2015, CINI decided to lead from the front and devise a focused plan which would ensure that the tribal families are able to come out of poverty in an irreversible and sustainable manner. Thus was born the ambitious 5-year plan called Mission 2020 Lakhpati Kisan Smart Villages.
The Mission 2020 Lakhpati Kisan Smart Village program, being designed and implemented by CINI under the Central India Initiative of Tata Trust, is a highly ambitious program. The program has two core goals. One is to ensure the 100,000 families that it is working with become Lakhpati at the end of 5 years. And the second is the 17 blocks which are under the program become drivers of change for the larger impact on tribal communities in Central India.
Through this program, more than 1 lakh tribal farmers will increase their annual income by 3 to 4-fold and become Lakhpati Kisans within 5 years. They will also experience improved quality of life in other areas such as education, health and sports.
बेवरस्ती अगड़ हमें मकाई ની खेती करता था एमना हमें आवक हमारे ओसी आती थी हमें हमें શાકભાજીનો ધંધો કરીએ એટલે हमारी आवक थोड़ी वधी એટલે हमें પાકું મકાન બનાવ્યું સંડાસ બાથરૂમ બનાયા સારી સ્કૂલમાં સોરાને ભણાયા.
This initiative is operational in selected 17 blocks across the 4 states of Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The entire program is based on women, tribal farmers leading their own development, from planning to implementation and monitoring. The goal is to empower them in these 5 years so that they can independently drive the development of their region through their community institutions.
ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଡ୍ରିପ୍ ଚାଷୀ ଆଉ ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ଆମେ ଡ୍ରିପ୍ ଚାଷ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ ଅନଗଳା ରାଞ୍ଚି ଏବଂ ରାୟପୁର ସେଠୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିକି ଆମେ ନିଜେ ଚାରା ପକେଇକି ଆଉ ଏ ଚାଷ କରିଥିଲୁ ଡ୍ରିପ୍ ଚାଷ ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ମୁଁ 26 ଡିସମିଲ୍ ଚାଷ କରିଥିଲି 26 ଡିସମିଲ୍ରୁ 27,000 ଟଙ୍କା ରୋଜଗାର ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଇ ଚାଷ ଅଧିକା ରୋଜଗାର ହୁଏ ଏବଂ କମ୍ ଘାସ ହୁଏ କମ୍ ପରିଶ୍ରମ ହୁଏ बिक्री तो आमर ठीक से हो पार नहीं हाट को निजे गले जाकि बिक्री करूँ एमती छोट मोट बेपारी आसती से बेपारी को आम अल्प अल्प किसी दे था बाकी तक हाट को नहीं बिक्री करूँ बड़ बेपारी आसती नहीं अधिका अधिका रोजगार है बड़ बेपारी सुनिश्चित आसवे.
Along with agriculture, farmers are diversifying their sources of income through pig rearing, dairy, lark cultivation, floriculture, etc.
पहले से भी लह के खेती करते थे मगर इनकम नहीं होता था. फेडरेशन द्वारा दादा लोग आते हैं वो दादा लोग हम लोग को विधि बताए तो हम लोग को अभी अच्छा से अच्छा इनकम होता है. 1,25,000 मेरा साल में ही की इनकम होता है. अभी VO के माध्यम से ही मशीन वगैरह यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं.
टाटा ट्रस्टच्या CINI संस्थेने धळगाव तालुक्यामध्ये शेळी पालन क्षेत्रामध्ये काम सुरू केल्यानंतर शेळी पालकांमध्ये फार मोठा उत्साह दिसून येत आहे. त्यांना योग्य ते प्रशिक्षण मिळाल्यामुळे तसंच त्यांनी आधुनिक व्यवस्थापकीय ज्या बाबी आहेत त्या अंमलात आणल्यामुळे त्यांनी वेळेवर जंत निर्मूलन आपल्या शेळ्यांना करून घेतलेलं आहे, वेळेवर लसीकरण करून घेतलेलं आहे, तसंच योग्य त्या पद्धतीने शेळ्यांचं खाद्य व्यवस्थापन केलेलं आहे. तसेच पैदाशीसाठी आधुनिक त्यांनी उस्मानाबादी बोकड या ठिकाणी विकत घेतलेले आहेत आणि त्यामुळे बोकड विक्रीपासून या शेळीपालकांना फायदा हा निश्चितच होत आहे आणि अशा प्रकारे शेळीपालकांच्या मानसिकतेमध्ये फार मोठा हा बदल दिसून येत आहे.
Entrepreneurs are emerging from within the community who are encouraged to adopt new technologies such as high-tech commercial nursery for healthy saplings grown in a soilless medium and drip and mulching technology which helps save water and labor and also gives better quantity and quality of produce.
मैं करनाल गया था, वहाँ से ट्रेनिंग होकर के आए तो लगा कि हमारे गांव आसपास के लोगों को भी उस गाछी को देना चाहिए जिससे कि रोग रहित हो। और इस पोलियो हाउस को बनाने के लिए हमने 30,000 पैसा जमा किया। उसके बाद रामदेव संस्था के द्वारा हमको 1,20,000 लोन मिला। अप्रैल महीना में पोली हाउस तैयार हुआ। उसके बाद से मई महीना से शुरू किए गाछी लगाना और अभी तक 5 महीना 3,60,000 पौधा हमने दादा दीदियों को बेचा है।
Irrigation is being ensured to participating families so that they can cultivate crops throughout the year in order to reach the Lakhpati mark. Along with increase in income, it is important to ensure holistic well-being of the tribal community. This is why CINI is also working on initiatives to improve quality of life aspects through initiatives in education, sport and nutrition, water and sanitation. These will help the families experience a step up in their quality of life. The Lakhpati Kisan initiative has already helped more than 40,000 farmers cross the Lakhpati mark and become Lakhpati Kisans within a few years. All 1 lakh farmers are expected to become Lakhpati Kisans by 2020. The initiative is already inspiring various other foundations, government bodies, CSR initiatives to join in for adoption of successful models for sustainable development of marginalized communities. Through the demonstrated success of this initiative, CINI's mission is to continue to create a ripple effect of development in the central Indian tribal belt, so that the tribal communities can be empowered to achieve their dreams and lead healthy, prosperous lives.
लाखपति बनो, लाखपति बनो, लाखपति बनो रे। महिला मंडल नी बहनो लाखपति बनो।